So today we're just going to be going on a ride. The past few weeks that we've been doing rides with the Walk and Roll program, we've been having student-led rides. So the students kind of get to decide where we're going. They get to be at the front, so they're leading everybody. We go their pace, and we just have fun in the early mornings as we ride.
Intercity Transit had been developing a partnership with North Thurston Public Schools, and this is one of the exciting realizations of that partnership. Envision needed a PE credits for a whole bunch of 12th graders who are ready to graduate and just need this extra part of their requirements. And so we had this exciting opportunity to offer biking as PE for the students.
In terms of the PE, we've increased the amount of mileage we were able to get in a shorter amount of time. Like, we just did 7.3 miles yesterday. You have a mode of transportation that forces you to be more physically active to get places rather than just driving a car and just sitting down throughout the entire drive. So
being part of this program, not only do you get the experience of learning how to take care of a bike and learning how to ride a bike, but then take that bike after high school, after this program, and they can just go places and explore and have fun.